Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger notes not showing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on that and you need to update your Messenger application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. So once you open, you simply need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for the messenger. Click on that. Here you can see storage and cache. Click on that. First step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and you need to log in into your messenger account. Once you done that, here you can see notes feature is now enabled. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.